Hello, my name is Azucena Reyes. Today I'll be talking to you about some safety precautions taken in setting up my workspace. Secondly, I'll be talking to you about considerations taken in preparation for this course. Third, I'll be talking to you about, we'll be talking about some critical thinking in regards to chemical MTBE being present in soil. So first, with safety precautions in regards to setting up my workspace. So here, is my workspace. So this is my desk that I will be utilizing when conducting most of my lab experiments. Here I do have one of my containers that I'll be utilizing in storing some of my lab materials when not being used. Next to it, I do have some other storage units if needed. Right next to that, I do have my fire extinguisher just in case of a fire. I do have the broom and dustpan nearby, and my trash can is located right there. With that being said, my sink that is currently located in my garage is indisposable, so I do have two other options. I can either use my hose, which is located outside of the house, just around the corner, or I can use my kitchen sink, which is just located through the kitchen/garage door. So if I just walk through here, kitchen sink is just located out towards just to the right. And here as well, we do have one of my smoke detectors, which is nearby. And then just down this hallway to the left-hand side, I do have my bathroom with my shower. With that, some of the emergency exits, the primary exit would be my garage door. If that's obstructed and I cannot get through my garage door, then I can also utilize my kitchen sliding door, which is currently located there. If I can't use the kitchen sliding door, I do also have the main entrance. With that being said, some other safety precautions I've taken is I did order a lab coat, which hasn't gotten here yet, so I'm still waiting on that, but that's one of my personal safety precautions I've taken. And with that as well, I'm using some fire retardant gloves that I'll be utilizing during all my lab experiments. And my timing when I'll be conducting my experiments would be just, when I get home from work. So that would be in the evenings. All right. So we'll move on to some of the considerations taken in preparation for this course. So honestly, I did not have safety in mind before starting this course. It's been several years since I've taken a chemistry class, so I didn't really consider some of the safety precautions that had to be taken to be just ready for this lab course. But now that I do have my workspace set up, I feel more confident. Originally, my plan was to utilize my kitchen, but my fiance and I just currently moved into our house, so we're still unpacking, and the kitchen is his space. He loves to cook, so I had to compromise, and so I left the kitchen to him, and I'm using the garage as my workspace. But like I said, now that I have it set up and ready to go, I really do feel that I'm confident that I can conduct my lab experiments in a safely manner. But yeah, I'm pretty excited and ready to go and just get this started. So third, we'll be talking about a study conducted in regards to chemical MTBE being present in soil. So chemical MTBE was added to gasoline to reduce air pollution, but it has raised environmental and health concerns because it's polluted the groundwater. And there's many factors of why the groundwater is polluted. One of those factors is because chemical MTBE containing gasoline. There's been leaks and spillage at gas stations, storage tanks having leaks, production plants, spillage in production plants. What else? spillage during transportation or refueling. So there's many factors of why the groundwater is polluted. So with that being said, a testable hypothesis for this experiment would be mass transfer in the drier unsaturated zone is much faster than in saturated soil zone. So an independent variable for this experiment would be the amount of spillage. The dependent variable would be how much of the fuel additive is absorbed. So control variable for this experiment would be the type of spillage, and a constant variable would be the type of soil. All right. So describe how to obtain reliable measurements. So to be able to obtain reliable measurements, we can conduct a soil analysis utilizing the spectrophotometric technologies, and by utilizing that, we can get reliable measurements. And with that, how will you record the data to the appropriate number of significant figures? To do that, that is based on mass and volume of the soil being utilized in this experiment. With that, this ends this video. I appreciate you guys taking time to watch this. Until next time, thank you.